the Assam State Premier League 2024. We have the starting lineup for the Assam and the starting lineup for the Chaigaon Football Club, Utpal Lee. And we kickstart the Chaigaon FC in the blue and the white kit will kick things off from left side. We have played the ball into the channel. A lovely header, now a chance here. And a goal! What a start for the Chaigaon FC at the very start of the game. Stuck beautifully into that box. And then that pass which came in, and then that finish from his left. Now into that danger zone. Turn around and gets the shot, but this time the goalkeeper collects that safely. Now coming forward, gets the shot, but an excellent goalkeeping, gets the hand on the ball and the ball straight goes out. There from the Chaigaon FC, but the ball's back and this time the shot it's into the box. It's got the hold, passes it back, now comes the goal and the shot from the right foot right straight into the goal post. Pass and straight into the goal post. Just see the pass he gets the hold, passes and straight goal. What a finish. Passed at the center, but an amazing defense, but then again gets the ball back and this time he finishes well. Just look at that. He passed that ball, the number 11 gets the save, but the ball goes back and number 80 gets just outside the box, gets the throw right. That's been played into that air, into that danger zone, but managed well. And now comes the fourth goal. Excellent quality of. The ball was played into the air, and he was looking to get that hold and through. He gets one, and then this time it was the left foot drive. Managing to get back into the game, the referee blows the whistle and we are underway the second half. That's been straight, he does, and now that's been floated straight, but this time the goalkeeper makes no mistake. An excellent defense coming from the goalkeeper, and now trying to go into that box. Oh, he does that well, and what a shot. Just look at that finish. The middle got the shot from the left. The goalkeeper saves that well, but couldn't get the hold of the ball, and the ball gets. Now Pordar looks for that room and he shots the one. Oh, such an amazing goalkeeping from free kick for the Chaigaon FC. He's played that. Oh, oh my God! Just a smile on his face that the pass came in from to the left. He just chips that one straight into the goal post. Goes for the shot. The ball back and the shot again. Just a simple pass and then that chipped up shot. The defender doesn't get the hold. There was Midul present. He gets the ball. They look for the turnaround and he gets the turn. will pass it into the danger zone, and that is it. Midul with his goal number 6, and the Tiger FC with the goal number 10. Excellent work. It was deep into that box. He still managed to get that pass at the center, at the danger end. And then the finish. Tiger FC again moving forward into that danger zone. Number 12 will look for that form, and he does that. Finishes it off clearly. Now the celebration comes from him. And yes, that famous celebration. Well blocked. And this is the whistle which the Assam United would love to hear. And now we'll look at the stats.